And we are back. Man, this place is just awesome, eh? We had a great ride out today as well. What's up guys? I know it's been a while since we put a video out. Yeah, unfortunately the weather has not been playing along lately. Yeah, we do need the rain, so that's quite good, but unfortunately the fishing had to take a back seat. But that's alright, we're out today. We found a break in the weather, so the forecast was supposed to be amazing. The ride out was flat, like really good. Took us about an hour to get here, back at the Mokohina Islands, which is about 55 kilometers offshore. But yeah, the forecast is not what it said it was going to be. The wind picked up probably about an hour after we got here, so I think we are in for a wet ride on the way back. The goal for today was to try and come out and catch some winter kingfish, so we'll go and jig around for that, see if we can get something something nice on the jigs. If that doesn't work, we'll just try and get some snapper on soft baits and any other lures, and if that doesn't work, we might even try some bait. Alright, first time trying this lure. Let's see if we can get something on it. Let's go try and get some kingfish. There's like heaps of bait fish over there. Look at all the birds. Man, look at all these birds. This looks like a good spot to drop the line. Let's see if we can get something. Man, it's quite a long way down. I am literally dropping my jig in 60 meters of water. It's going to be fun if I hook a kingfish fighting it all the way up on this. Fish on! First drop! Oh, it's a snapper! The jig's almost bigger than him. Look at that, this little guy smashed that jig. First legal one of the day, and your name is Dinner. Straight in the bin. Let's see what else we can get on the jig. I'm hoping for a nice big kingy. Man, I haven't even had a follow from a kingfish yet. Hopefully this drop is the one. Let's see what I can get. There's so much life around here. There's birds and bait fish everywhere. On the bottom. The only thing I got from that jigging session is sore shoulders. Man, that was insane. Well then, let's see if we can get something on the soft bait. Doesn't look like the kingfish are interested today, so let's see if we can get a few snap in the bin. Oh, this feels like a good fish. Man, this is actually a nice little fight on the light gear. I think I won this fight. He feels tired. That's not a bad fish. In the fish's mouth. Let's see whose lure he wants. Oh, now throw it back.
Coming back with some more.
Yeah, just to give you guys a bit of an update, the fishing today has been pretty slow. I think Sassy's actually the only one that's cleaned up. I've got 2 fish in the bin, 2 good snaps. I've actually got 1 on the jig, that's quite funny. That's good. That's awesome. That's good. Man, I'm hooked on the bottom and I don't want to pull too hard because I've got really light line on here. Ah, yep, there she goes. That's alright, I wanted to try a different color soft bait anyway. I think I might get the drone up quickly, get some nice footage of the spot.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you
Hey, another one of you guys. broke my jet ski. I was an hour and a half back to where we are now. There's a boat race in front of me. Man, that was insane. Getting my baby nice and clean. Clean. Let's get home. What's up guys, so we are back at home now. Skis all cleaned up and all that. So today did not go as planned. We got out on the water and it was an awesome day. So got out to the islands, really good. About an hour later the wind started picking up and we thought it might be just like a morning little breeze, but turns out it wasn't. 12 o'clock we decided to start steaming back. Just the water didn't look that great. So yeah, started coming back and it was absolutely horrible. And then to top that off, on the way back the ski started giving me problems. Just what happened is basically on the throttle, if you keep it steady, it just started losing power and then picking up power, just losing power, picking up power the whole time. So yeah, if any of you guys know what might be wrong with it, just drop a comment in below, let us know. But yeah, I'll probably work on that this week. Find out. Get a Yamaha. Just Stacey tuning me in the background telling me I need to get a Yamaha. But anyway, yeah, so I'll work on that this week, see if I can find out what's wrong, so that doesn't happen on the next trip. That would be great. But yeah, if you guys know what's happening with it, let me know in the comments. Not a bad catch for the day. Few good snapper there. These are going straight in the freezer and we'll cook them up probably later in the week. Get this all spiced up. Shake that up. Look at that. Man. Grab one egg. Bring in there. That should be all good. All the goodies. Oh, how good does that look? Man, the smell, eh? Made like a tower of the shit. Anyway, I'm gonna dig it. Just want to say thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the like button, comment, let us know what you guys think of the video. We'll catch you on the next one.